Welcome back. I have this gorgeous wig today that I want to install right now. You guys know curly / wavy textures are my favorite, and this right here is a natural curly wig. Yes, natural curly from RPGHair. As you guys know, if you don't know, they are having their Christmas sale right now, so go ahead and check that out. This is a 360. The code for this wig is LFW34. It's a natural color 1B. It's 20 inches long, really nice and full. It's 180% in density, and it's a medium cap size. Of course, you guys know it has the improved lace. I want to go in and I definitely want to pluck it more at the front, because that's just how I do with my wigs. And today I'm definitely in the mood to go ahead and go in with extra plucking. Definitely came pre-plucked, but I want to do that. I don't know, I'm really excited about this wig. These curls are a bit looser than the other curly wig that I had on the other day, which is the LFW32P wig. A lot of you guys love that one as well, and when it was Black Friday I saw that a lot of you guys got that one. So the curl texture of this one is a little bit looser, so I'm happy about that. So I'm just gonna really go in and pluck this even more, because you guys know how I feel about a really nice graduation in my edges for my frontal.
Over your skin you can see it beat, intoxicating your energy. First time in so long you felt the heat, evaporating your bindings. Move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the sunlight, darkness.
I feel like that's pretty good. I don't feel like I need to go in on it any further. So this is the side I just plucked, and this is the next side that is just pre-plucked. So this is my side, and this is the pre-plucked side. I'm actually excited to go ahead and rock this without doing the wet look today. I know sometimes, you know, you love something, and sometimes you just do it so much to the point where you just want to try something new. So that's literally me today. I don't want to look at them right now. I'm going to proceed to cutting off the lace in the back portion here. And I finally got a new scissors, because as I said, I couldn't find the next one that I had. I was just using that big bulky scissors that was not fitting, you know, to cut hair. So I'm gonna cut off the excessive lace with this, and then proceed to my newly found celebrity method of applying my wig. And the cap size on this, as I said before, it's medium. It's pretty big. I feel like if you're not sure what to get, as it relates to like if you should get a small or a medium, I feel like sometimes it's safer to go with a medium, because there have been cases where I got a small and it was just way too small for my head, and it just wasn't right. So, and it might end up hurting your head sometimes, so you don't want your wig to be too tight. So I feel like getting a medium sometimes will be a little bit safer. Now if you do got a big head like that and you're sure, then go ahead and get a large. But yeah, alright, so to further kind of like tint the lace, if I feel needs be, I'll go in with a little bit of foundation. Kind of just use my brush and kind of just, you know, rub it on like that, blend it out.
Gravitate, gravitate, gravitate.
love it. And you can part it further. So of course, as you can see, this needs to be cut down. Most of the time I end up cutting down the ear portion because it's usually too long for me. As you can see, you need to ensure that it's sitting right above your ears. And if it's not, then you just go in and cut down the extra.
Innovate, innovate, innovate. Move like the sunlight.
So what I'm gonna do today is actually spray down one piece at a time, or one side at a time. So what I'm gonna do is actually spray over the lace today and not under the lace, to make it look even more melted. Listen guys, I always try my best to make the lace look as melted as possible. For me personally, I don't know if you guys realize, but like for me, this is why I like going in and doing the extra plucking, because when it comes to the time for the meltdown, like to make it look more like scalp, for me, when it have a little more graduation, it looks a little bit more realistic to me, because my natural hairline isn't super like thick. It has a good amount of hair, but not that thick, so I try to mimic my hairline as much as possible. So look at that hairline. That hairline is life. Alright, so I'm gonna cut it down, cut off the excess, this in a zigzagged motion, and then any part that needs a little extra length, just go in and do that. Absolutely no baby hairs, but I'm gonna put a little bit of soup on either side and just a little baby sideburn. I love doing that actually. It's not to cover up anything, but that is literally how you take your time and just the edge. I just have some alcohol here.
Radiate, radiate, radiate. Gravitate, gravitate, gravitate.
And this, using the mousse, will actually give you a softer look rather than using the same got-to-be spray or even the gel. So I don't want it to look like a lot of baby hair, because that's the worst for me, that when, you know, like if I should do the baby hair, I don't want it to look forced. So I want to do the tiniest amount, kind of just make it look effortless, and swoop it. See how laid that looks? I know you're probably going to ask if it won't lift. Well, it doesn't lift up like that, like right away. So what I do once I'm done with laying it, I'm going to put a wrap strip on my edges to ensure that it rise back down in the same form. So that's just a little tip there. Like once you're done, just use a wrap strip or whatever you please to tie it down so it really lays and dries in that form. You see that graduation? I think this is the first video that I'm actually doing where I'm not like putting more sideburn, like, or a thicker sideburn. Take my wrap strip, I actually fold it in half. I don't have the time to cut it, that's going to take too much time, and I just really lay it down, and I put it over my ears because I wanted to lay the sideburns as well. That is all I do, guys. That is literally all I do.
Radiate, radiate, radiate.
I'm all done with applying this wig. I hope my little techniques and the time I took to explain certain things today really helped you guys out. Really appreciate the support, guys. If you enjoyed this video, if it was informative, go ahead and give it a thumb up. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. It's very important to me. Thank you guys so much for watching. All the information on this wig will be in the description box. My code SUE15 and PETITE-10, don't forget to use them. Make use of the Christmas sale. Yes, I didn't apply any product to it. I literally just rocked it as is and just run the comb through it. That is it. But I really wanted to explain certain things a little bit more to you guys today, and that's what I did. Don't forget to go ahead and check out my Vlogmas series going on right now. The link to that will be down below in my description box. Check it out. I upload every single day over on my vlog channel. Every day. It's so much work, but I make it happen. So go ahead and check out my Vlogmas episodes. It's lit. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, go and big up on yourself. Bye.